In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add avatar in Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional profile image that helps personalize your experience and makes your account easier to recognize. First, open your Perplexity AI account. You can do this in your browser or the official app. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your profile settings. If you have multiple tabs or sessions open, stick with one to avoid confusion while updating your avatar. Next, click Account. You'll usually find this in the top right corner of the screen, represented by a profile icon or labeled Account. When you click it, you'll be taken to your account area where your profile details live. If you're on a smaller screen, the Account option may be tucked into a menu, but the layout is similar once you open it. Now, inside the Account section, click Change Avatar. This is the option that lets you update your profile photo. It may appear as a button near your current image placeholder or as a link within your profile details. Clicking it will open a prompt to select an image. At this point, locate your avatar to add it. Choose a clear, square or nearly square photo from your computer or device, something well lit, with your face centered if it's a personal profile, or a crisp logo if it's for a project or team. Most standard formats like JPG or PNG work well. If the platform supports cropping, use the built-in tool to frame your image so it looks sharp at both small and large sizes. Keep the background simple to avoid distractions and aim for good contrast so it's recognizable on dark and light themes. If the file feels large or takes a long time to upload, try compressing it lightly or choosing a smaller version while keeping the quality clear. If you see an error, double-check the file type and try again. Once the preview looks right, confirm or save your changes. Your new avatar should appear instantly, though in some cases you may need to refresh the page to see it everywhere. That's all it takes. Open your Perplexity account, click Account, choose Change Avatar, and then locate and add your image. A polished avatar helps others identify you quickly and gives your profile a more professional feel. If you ever want to update it again, repeat these same steps and swap in a new image.